Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode. Man, oh man, am I excited for you guys. I'm excited for me really, for me. It's all about me today. But I've just had a delivery of something very, very special. Now I know for a fact I'm the first to get this, so I'm even more excited. Sorry, other Fuji Ambassador guys. Sometimes it's just the way it goes, we all know that. But hey, yes, it's Fujifilm. Look at the size of this box, okay? What have we got in here? A few items, all related, but man, am I excited to get these out and have a play with this. Been waiting for these. It's gonna be so much fun. You're gonna love it. Okay, no more messing. Let's roll intros and let's get into this box. Back in a minute. Well, would you look at that little pyramid of beauties? Yes, seeing right. It's the new GF250 F4 with a 1.4 times converter and 2 extension tubes. Man, I'm like a kid in a sweet shop at the moment, and I can't wait to dive into these boxes and get these on my GFX and get them tested. Let's unbox them and have a look how beautiful these are. Bet you're all jealous now, aren't you? Yeah, I knew you would be. Well, folks, what can I say? What can I say? Look at this beautiful, beautiful 250, GF250 lens for the Fujifilm GFX. It's here. I'm privileged, I know, and Fujifilm, I love you so much for letting me have this first. Now, as per this recording, I know this is the only production model in the country at the moment, so I'm very, very privileged to get first dibs on this one. But look at it, guys. Yes, it looks big. It's medium format. It's gonna be bigger, okay? It's gonna be big. DSLR equivalent, about a 180, so an amazing portrait lens with, yeah, it's an F4, but amazing fall off. But look how gorgeous this thing is. It's got image stabilization in there. We've got preset autofocus in there. A couple of little features in it which I won't go through now, but this is just the big reveal, the unboxing pre-launch, if you have that. But look how damn gorgeous this sweet thing is. It's mine, it's all mine. No, seriously though, looking forward to getting this on camera. But what else have we got? Fujifilm been kind, okay? Put that down very, very gently, very gently. 1.4 times teleconverter, okay? All weather sealed as well, peeps, all weather sealed. Amazing, amazing. These are looking beautiful and so well built. So 1.4 teleconverter, brilliant. Now on the flip side, we've got these two little bad boys. Some of you may know what these are, some of you may not. These are basically macro extension tubes. Okay, so we've got, wow man, I find it hard to read that. I actually wear reading glasses now. You know when you're getting old when you wear reading glasses. Damn, that's a shame. So I've got an 18 and a 45 extension tube for macro, so we can use these independently, one at a time, or both together. So not that I do a lot of macro, but I am going to play with these in my field of my industry in the fashion beauty world. Beauty probably being the operative word there. Can't wait, can't wait. I may have something planned for this already. Of course I have. It would be no fun if I didn't. So keep your eyes peeled, guys, but amazing, amazing. You want to see what the 250 looks like on the GFX? Not going to lie, it's a hell of a beast. But don't let the size deceive you. It's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be, which is really good. If I go back to my Hassi series or Leica 210 lenses, or even my RZ stuff, in the film days, those lenses were much, much heavier. But Fujifilm are brilliant at that, giving you amazing quality and build, but not as heavy, but still some of the best optics in the world. Let's not forget that. Let's pop it on a GFX, let you have a quick look, and then we're just going to end this little intro. Okay, bye. Well, I said I'd give you a first view of it on my GFX. It is a bit of a beast, but man, Who cares? It's a 250mm lens, medium format. What comes with bigger cameras? Bigger lenses, of course, goes without saying. But I'm still surprised about the weight. Of course, the GFX is light anyway. But there it is, peeps. There it is. Look how beautiful that is. Is that gorgeous? Is that really gorgeous? Yeah, man, of course it is. That's damn gorgeous is what that is. There it is. The new Fujifilm GF250 F4, weather sealed, image stabilized. Man, I'm loving the look of this already. Yes, I am going to shoot some stuff with it, and I'm going to shoot some beautiful stuff, which I'll post up. Of course, you're not going to see this video until I'm actually allowed to release it. So if you're watching this, then I've been given the okay. But I know for a fact I've had this long before you've seen this video. Let's get shooting with this bad boy and create some amazing images. Right, I gotta go. You all enjoy being jealous. I'm gonna enjoy being smug, and I'll catch you again later in the next one.